me teach you how to fix or set your electric steam iron. This product is Juky, Juky. Yeah, so that's the product. So in your package you're going to see this container for water. Okay, the reason is steam is because of the water, right? So you're going to see this container here that has handle. All right, any product you are buying, yeah, so you're going to see this one over here like this. In there you're going to see this tube that come with the ring. You can see the ring. You're also going to see this, your iron placement, where this way you're going to be placing the iron, right? You won't just be placing it on the table directly. Then you're going to see the tube is two. You're going to see two tubes. Then you're going to see the iron itself. Then it will have this foam inside. Yeah, so these are what you're going to see, and the manual. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to set it. It's very simple, but not everybody know how to set it. Okay, so place it on the plate itself. Now for the tube, you have the one with mouth like this. Can you see the mouth? Then you have this straight one, just like this. Now this one, let's connect this one first. This mouth over here, you are going to connect it inside one of the mouth or the tip of one of this one. You can see this is the one. Okay, so the connector here, you're going to put it inside, right? This is the connector. Put it inside, let it enter well. Can you see? Now, so you're going to fix this metal, or is it iron? Fix it inside, just like this. Can you see? Now you're going to put water inside this container. Put water inside here, and then you're going to ask the level. But you can see the right up here, they say that this is the minimum water level. So this is the least your water must go. So from here upward, you can put as many as you want, or the quantity that you want. So I will just put it half. I won't allow it to be too much. We're going to be hanging it to the wall, so I don't want it to be full. I will just put it to the middle, at the middle. So if we finish, I'll just be replacing water, but don't allow it to pass this level downward. It can go upward. I hope that is clear. So let me put water, normal water. You don't need to boil the water or anything. Just put your normal tap water inside. But before you put water, please, here, this is the tap. This is the tap. Please, you must cover it. You can see water is dripping, so you must lock it. Lock it before you pour water. If not, water will just be pouring out. Okay, make sure you lock it properly, then go and pour water. All right, so look at the water. See where the level at which I put it is okay. So if it's I'll just be replacing it. So cover it, cover the lid. Now you need force. Okay, the force has to, the water has to descend. I don't know if, I hope you have followed. You can't just put the iron here and put the bottle by the side. Okay, you need the water to descend down. So you need a force. The tap you must connect it upward. So you need to connect the bottle up. Okay, so you can see what I did here. I just fixed like small plank here, and there is a nail, right, to hang it, so that this thing is heavy a little bit. So you don't want to put only nail to the wall, because the force might just break the wall. So you want to put some base. That's why I put this plank there. Then you're just going to hang it up. Okay, you can see, still note, I put like three long nails together, so that it will hold it very well and firm. So put it like this. Okay, so so that it can stay very, very well. Now, this metal side or this steel or iron side is the one that is going on top of your iron, okay, on this part. That's the one that is going on it, and the other side is the one that is going this nozzle here. That's the one I'm going to attach on this nozzle. So you're just going to go ahead and fix it properly. So fix it properly. Then you're going to use this metal. You're going to use it to hold it to it. Okay, just pull it down. You have to use it to hold it, just like this. I hope you are following me. Can you see? Then you're going to use the other side. You're going to connect it upward here. Connect it properly. Okay, to use it, you have to open this tap. Okay, you have to open the tap. So when you open the tap, the water will just descend downward. Open it. So you just open the tap. When you open the tap, you won't see the water flow until you start using it. Okay, until you start using the iron. That's when the water will start coming. When you want the water will come out. When you press the dispensing where the water is supposed to come, when you press it, the water is going to dispense. Now, if you hang when you hang the tank up and you are using your iron and the water is not dispensing, that means that the force is not enough. Maybe you need to take it more higher. If the force is not enough, you have to take it higher. It has to accelerate well so that it's going to dispense when you are using your iron. I hope that is clear. So let us use it so you can see. Now, also note that it is where you want to be using your steaming iron that you should fix this thing in. So fix it by the side. I know that this is where I'm going to be ironing, so that's why I fix it here. You know, you can't be moving it all around or be removing the the pipe all the time. It might weaken the mouth. Okay, so try and find a way position where you want to be using it permanently. Fix it there. Not that you can't remove it, but just for the safety of your iron, good maintenance. Fix it where you know you're going to be using it. Let your socket be very close to you. And I also advise, always plug your iron directly to the source of light. Fix it directly to the socket, to the source of light. Don't use extension. Their voltage is usually more higher than the extension socket. So if you plug it, it will just be burning your socket anyhow. So plug it directly to the direct socket. I hope that is clear. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it. This is what you're going to press. This steam over here is what you're going to press, and it's going to dispense water. Immediately you press it, water will dispense. Okay, you might not be seeing the water, but you can see the flame. Press it, then water will dispense. Then it will dry it immediately. That's just it. Okay, it will dry it immediately. Now this place is the regulator. That's where you're going to regulate this one. You want it to be more hot, you want it cooler, or anyhow you want it. So this is where you are going to regulate. This is the on button over here. This is the regulator. This is the one you're going to press that will dispense the water. So immediately you press it, water will just flow from here and it's going to dispense. And immediately you just go like that and you just continue. So that is how to use your steaming iron or electric steam iron. That is how you can set it. You don't need to call an engineer to set it for you. So you can set it by yourself. Okay, you can set it by yourself. And we've come to the end of the class. I hope you enjoy it. I hope when you purchase yours, you won't have any issue in setting it up. I made it very simple for you, right? Yes, so go ahead and set yours. In case you want to purchase, it's available for purchase. That's my number on the screen. You can just chat me up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.